Hello everyone! And today, let's continue to play chess and get the 1500 Elo FIDE. Let's go! We have the black pieces. Let's play the French defense, e6. Want to play g5. Oh, free. Surprises with g5. Get a position that we want. c4. Now we want to play c5, but after a lot of exchange pawn, we don't have any exchange good pawn. So we have a really bad pawn at this position. Take, take, take. So not very good. So let's play on f6. Here the player. Okay, maybe c5. Next. Knight c3. Let's play bishop e7. Let's play classical against the d4, c4. French defense is more comfortable to play because we have the castle now. You can see that we get a really good position and c5. This move I do not appreciate it a lot because now you can see that I can counter with the move e5 at some point, or I want to win this pawn on c5. So now what you can do? b6, why not? b4, a5, bishop b2. So b6, b4, a5, bishop b2. Don't get anything. So let's play c6. Maybe control this. Wait, that what you can do. Let's play a4. Want to create some punch at the queen side. Bishop to f4. Strong move. Control the e5 square. So now maybe knight e4. Knight e4. Knight takes. I do pawn takes. And then takes on b5. You can see that now I take on b4. Takes. But I can take on a1 and then playing the move knight a6. And you can see that this pawn is really weak. Okay, queen b2. Maybe f6 is a really good move. So queen d5. Okay, let's play f6. Knight c4 is a good move. Okay. This queen is really strange. Protect anything. If I take, I can sack, but the position's not great. We can have c5 next. Let's sack on b4 to have fun. Queen takes d4. Why I sack because I win this pawn next. e3, play queen a5, a1, sorry, to put the king at, really? This king is really weak, so I play e5. You can see that it's why I sack my knight, sorry. So you can see that everything is open and the king is not really good. Okay, knight d6. He gave me his bishop. Okay, he won maybe queen c4 at some point. So if I take queen c4, knight here, he won here. So I think on d6 first. He takes, and I takes here. And I get the advantage. I think so. Takes. Here I can get bishop to g4. f3 I take, and this pawn is now really weak. So I take, and bishop to e6. I want to move my bishop to d5. King f2. Okay. Now I play queen a7. Why? Because now you can see that now I get this strong diagonal and then I play bishop d5 and I control these pawns. b5, queen d7 is a move. Okay. Bishops to c4. Can I play queen d4? Take, take. Take on b7, I take on d6 and I have a pawn. This position is maybe okay. b5 next. We don't have a good system with the French defense, but that position. I have to sack because c5 is really so strong. So I play h5. I want to move h4. Have no time. Okay, h4. Let's play b5. Don't lose this pawn. Maybe rook d8 next. I get wrong my this rook. Yeah, maybe there's no thing. Oh, maybe this queen a5 takes queen a7. I missed that. Okay, queen a5 maybe is winning. Or not. Queen takes d6, queen a7. Oh, I have king here. Take, I have rook g8. And it's completely winning. So it's okay. This position is not really great to play with black, but we have a pawn. He's down a pawn, and this pawn is going to lose. Okay, now he just blunder. I take on d6, and he down two pawn, and this position is just a resignation. Okay, this was making f8, attacking the rook. Rook c7, I play b4. Indeed, I play rook b4. Okay, and b4 next, and c5. Push the pawn. Let's push the pawn. Oh, let's play rook c4. Protect everything. Let's play rook c3 check. And now we just push the rook here. Now let's bring the king. Eat the pawn. Again, the position is just completely winning. If he take, maybe I have to do something. I'll play here. Okay, he plays here. Go to king on e5. I will take e4. The game will finished. Okay, very good game. Really hard maybe for me to against c5 and have to sack. I do not a really good game maybe I think against this guy. Okay, and opponent resign and we come back to the analyst. Okay, and we are here to analyze the game. This position already is winning. Maybe I do not play some mistake. I think I have mistake. I think. Yes, you can see a lot of mistake. I do not play a really good game. First mistake, bishop e6. Yeah, great. Queen a2. Yes. You can see that now the position is going to be not great. b5. Yes. We want to play c5 and don't have a not really good pawn. And I just completely blunder the game. And that's the game. You can see that position is really good. c5 really strange. Okay, c6 best. a5 good. I do have to put the here. Take. This position is okay. I take is not really good. But okay, I have to play b5. Not easy to find because e3. Okay. And we can counter the center and the knight is trapping. So it's a little bit normal. I can authorize to move b5. If I take. That is 6. And now the position is equal. F6. And now a sack on b4. Why I sack? Because I don't have a lot of moves. And it's the correct move, you can see. We take. And now c5 is in trouble in this position. e3 completely blunder. b5. I take. And I take the bishop. And this position is completely winning. Now I have to play rook e8, but I blunder with the move bishop to g4. I take. And now in this position, I have to play queen a2. If you play king a3, I have rook e8. And if you play king d1, sorry, king e1, I take queen f3. Oh, tension, bishop c4. I completely missed that, and then it's in the check box, and then okay, you can just take the rook, and it's winning. Okay, and that it's for this game, and see you soon. Bye bye.